Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we want to show you that we're going to install our 10.25-inch screen for a 2011 C250, that it doesn't come with backup camera and it comes with a really tiny screen here that it's basically like in a storage compartment, and then when you open it, the screen is right there. So we're going to replace it with a 10.25-inch screen. After that I get back to you and I show you how the job is done. Okay, so right now we install our 10.25-inch screen in the same 2011 C250. As you can see, the unit fits perfectly fine on the spot that it was the flip up compartment there. Right now you can see how it flash mounted to the same spot. Everything works same as before. The radio and those stuffs works exact same. As you can see on the glove box, we add one USB port for video and multimedia player, basically video and music. So we can go to the main menu. That's the main menu. It shows the speed of the car, mileage of the car, and also the temperature of the car. And by clicking on FMCD, you can go back to the factory menu of the car. Right now I'm on disk, and I can go back to radio. I can go back to any other feature of the car, same as before. And by going to reverse, it shows the back of the car. It comes with dynamic parking guidelines, so when I turn the steering wheel, the dynamic parking guidelines turn too. And right now I'm touching the screen. I go to the aftermarket mode and I can choose like dashboard, that it reads some information from OBD, and offline maps are installed. And also we can go back to app section, Google Map, Waze, or any other online map. We can install it on the same screen. And that's the media player, that's the navigation, that's the Bluetooth, or if you want to do Bluetooth music streaming, that's how you can use it from this menu as well. And browser is there, or you can turn off the whole screen if it bothers you. On aftermarket mode, we can use the camera too, so doesn't matter, either factory mode or aftermarket mode, we can use the camera. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can order them online at 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.